Within Excel, particularly if we have a considerable amount of data, oftentimes we want to filter out data. In industry, we might want to look at certain quarters or certain employees or certain regions. So filtering is a great way to really break it down and only include the information that we want. So let's look at how we can use the filtering function. When we have a table set up, we have our little arrows next to each of the column names. When we select those, our filtering options appear where we could go through and select only certain names. So for example, if I unselect all, I can go through and look at everything that's been done by Adam Carolla. When I select Adam Carolla and then OK, it will show up and filter out everyone else except for Adam Carolla as a director's name. And I can tell that it's filtered because it has that little funnel here. If I want to change that, I can go back and select all, and I could select another person's name. I could also, if I'm looking for someone specific, or let's say I'm looking for any of the directors with the first name Rob, I can start typing in those letters and it's going to pull up everything that has ROB in it. So Angela Robinson, Benjamin Roberts, and that way I can start filtering out different areas depending on what I'm searching for. I can also clear any of my filters by selecting that as well too. So the filtering option is really a great way to narrow things down and take what is a lot of information, so I'm only looking at exactly what I want to look at.